mejor si te voy a dar una llamada a ver si vamos a mirar esta chica.
Sí, cualquier cosa me estoy volando.
I used to have one of these.
Yeah.
I rolled it. Yeah, I had a 02. I rolled it in 06.
Same year, 02?
Yeah, it was silver.
Yeah.
I looked it up, and I think mine, it was, they only made like 542 of that particular color, but
yeah,
I had it for 3 years and wrecked it.
What color was it?
Silver.
Silver?
Yeah, it wasn't the gray, it was that light silver.
Yeah.
I had the Boyd Junkyard Dogs on it with Nitto 555s. I had a Bassani exhaust. It was had the blowers ported, had a couple pulley changes on it, but it was close to stock. I missed that truck. I really missed that truck.
Just with the bolt-ons and the porting, it wakes these things up pretty good.
Yeah, and now it's like funny. You think about it was powerful back then, but now you can go buy a Toyota truck V8, and stock it has more power normally aspirated than this did with the blower on it. You know. Yeah, this thing's beautiful though.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I like the factory rims like this.
Yeah,
they look good.
To keep it stock.
Just
stock. I'm not a big fan of big plastic wheels
and
that kind of stuff. It's just nice and simple.
Yeah, I just had those Junkyard Dogs on. That was it. I was gonna go back to these, but chrome them.
Okay.
Yeah. But I think I like this look better.
Yeah. Morning.
What's your name?
Jose.
Jose, nice to meet you, Jose.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Yep. I'm recording your secrets.
That's already the whole air exchange trust issue. Supposedly that can't be going any further than it needs to stop. You know,
Grab another jacket.
yeah.
We're just a group of us, man. Hang out. How you doing?
Yeah, how you doing?
Group of us hang out, man. You met some brothers that
Yeah, it's beautiful, man.
Thank you. thought maybe they'll park right with us, you know, because we support the car. We parked over the block.
That's 16 grand for somebody who lives there now and takes care of her. Like, you know, and she quits fires and kicks them out of there if they don't do a certain thing. And so that's a whole other deal. Like, she doesn't have a choice.
Finally got off the freeway. You can hear them.
Yeah.
They're all
just got off right now.
Yeah, there's about 20 of them.
They probably got through that. Everybody that was blocked up over
Yeah,
here.
they're all pissed off now. They're like,
Yeah.